Hey, here's how you make shoo-fly pie. You need all the ingredients, of course. I have Crisco, I have an egg, brown sugar, I have my baking soda, my cups, my king syrup. This is what king syrup looks like. King syrup is what I use for my pies. I know Nanny told you something else, so I don't know, or helped you get molasses. King syrup is, I guess, molasses, corn syrup, high fructose corn syrup, oh boy, and other stuff, okay. But anyway, so it's I think Nanny's made it with molasses before, so, and an egg, and then I'll do this all so you can see it. So this is I used this many bowls. I have a big bowl for mixing, I have a little bowl for crumbs, and I have a even tinier bowl for the extra crumbs that I take out of there and keep for the top of the pie for later, okay? Now, I have this tool which I use to break up that's it for this kind of stirring, for the brown sugar, flour, and the Crisco, and I use this to mash it up, but you don't have to use this. Before I had this, Uncle Jasper gave me this, it was Aunt Peg's. Before he gave me this, I always just used a fork. So you use a fork and it takes a while, but you got to keep smashing it and mixing it together, and you'll see when we get to that part how blended it is. That's how it should look, okay? I'll show you that. Also, I just have this tablespoon. I use it for the Crisco, but I also use it for the extra king syrup that I put in the big pot then later. I'll put that in later. Also, as I work, I always keep the sink of soapy water so that I can just chuck these things in and out of the way, and I put things away as I do this. My pies that I have right now that I just made, check this out. Here's what they look like when you're done. So if it wouldn't be blurry, I guess it doesn't like me. There we go. So when you're done, it looks like this. I'm using also, I should show you this. I'm using a tin pie plate. And when you use a tin pie plate, very gently, you wash this before you use it, because you don't know what little kid was licking it in the store before they gave it, bought it. Parents don't watch their kids. This is the pie dough that I use. It's Pillsbury pie dough. Oh, and it looks like that red box, like that. Pillsbury pie crusts in a roll. That's what I usually use, is this. Now, Nanny said you got a frozen pie shell, so you'll have to sit that out for as long as it says on the package and make sure it's good and defrosted before you bake your pie, or it won't be good, just so you know. Okay, and that's everything so far. I'm gonna get my pie crust. I'm gonna unroll the pie crust and put it in here and pinch the edges of it, just get it ready. And then I'm gonna get my mixer. I didn't get my mixer out and all that, and I'll start videoing how to do it step by step in a minute. So that's everything you need.